The Extron DTP HDMI 230RX extender reliably carries HDMI, audio, and control signals over a single shielded twisted pair cable for clean long-distance runs in professional installations. Its ability to transport signals up to 230 feet without noticeable degradation makes it a strong choice for classrooms, conference rooms, and larger venues. Support for high-resolution formats, including 4K and demanding computer video, ensures that detailed content looks crisp and accurate on modern displays. The extender can also handle analog stereo audio on the same cable, which simplifies wiring and reduces the need for extra hardware in mixed-signal setups. Its compact, lightweight housing and remote power capability make it easy to hide behind flat panel displays, inside lecterns, or in tight equipment spaces. Overall build quality and interoperability with other Extron DTP devices inspire confidence for long-term, stable use in integrated audiovisual systems.